Good morning, students. In previous class, I taught you the voice of present continuous and present perfect tense. In this class, I will teach you passive voice of simple past tense and past continuous tense as well as past perfect tense. So let's start. पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। पैसिव वॉइस का जो अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस होगा, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट का जो अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस होगा उसका हम लोग सबसे पहले देखेंगे कि कैसे चेंज होगा। तो जो एक्टिव वॉइस होगा यानी जो सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में होगा उसका स्ट्रक्चर इसके अकॉर्डिंग होगा, यानी ये स्ट्रक्चर पे वो सेंटेंस होगा, सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट होगा। तो इस स्ट्रक्चर में जो सेंटेंस होगा उसको पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए हम लोग इस स्ट्रक्चर का यूज करेंगे, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस was were प्लस V3 प्लस by प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट। Let's see the example. They ate apples. This sentence belongs to simple past tense. Subject, V2, object. So as we all know, I have already taught you, object become the subject. So apples become the subject. Apples. And after subject, was, were will be added. So apples, this one is plural, that's why we will add were. Apples were. After that, V3. Then 8 is in the second form, so we write third form of the 8. That is, apples were eaten. After that, add by and then after object, then they is the subject, so this one will become object. By they will change into them. This is the passive sentence of this one. Now, next example, they looked into the matter. They looked into the matter. They subject, this one is V2 and this one is object. Then object becomes the subject, so the matter. After that, the matter is similar, so we write was. The matter was. After that, add V3, then V3 of looked. The matter was looked. Looked. So looked into. The matter was looked into by them. You can also write the matter was looked into. Now we will see negative sentence. And as we all know, the structure of negative sentence is subject plus did plus not plus given plus object. And if we will have to change this one into passive, we must use this structure. That is subject plus was were plus not plus V3 plus by plus object. Now we will see one example. We did not help you, where we is the subject. This one did from the structure, not from the structure. V1, this one is V1 and you, this one is object. And according to rule, object become the subject of passive voice. So you will be the subject, you, and then was where तो what will be used with you? Were. You were. After that, not. You were not. Then V3, help, helped. You were not helped. After that, by will be added, and then object. Then the subject of active become the object of passive. So we will be used here, and it will be changed into objective form, and that is us. You were not helped by us. Now we will see another example, that is I do not like him. I did not like him. So this one is subject, this one is V1, and this one is object. So him will become he. He was not. Then V3, liked. He was not liked. Then after by, and then subject of active become the object of passive. So I will be changed into me, by me. This is the passive sentence. Now we will see some more examples like interrogative sentence, WH question. So this one is interrogative sentence. This one is interrogative sentence of simple past tense. Did I write a letter? So nothing will be changed. Only what you have to do, if did is there in the structure, what is used in passive voice? Was, were. So this one will become the what? Subject. So a letter. This is subject. Now what is the verb which is used with a letter, and that is was or were? That is was, because this is singular. So was will be written in the beginning. Was a letter written by, and I become the object. Written by me, question mark. This is the passive. Was a letter written by me. This is WH question. Who supported you? तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया था कि जब who रहे तो वो बिगिनिंग में हो जाता है by whom. By whom, and this will become the subject. By whom, और इसके साथ verb क्या लगेगा? Was, where. तो you के साथ where लगता है, तो by whom were you supported. ठीक है, ये WH है. WH वर्ड के जस्ट बाद जो है हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है. Now another example. Someone killed the thief. Someone killed the thief. Here subject is someone. So I have already told you, if someone, anyone, no one will be the subject, this will disappear in the passive voice. So the thief is object. This will become the subject. The thief, and this belong to simple past. That's why we will use was, were. Singular. That's why thief is singular. That's why we use was. The thief was killed, and this will not be used as object. So this one is completed. तो इस तरह से हम लोग एक्टिव से पैसिव में चेंज करेंगे. Now we will see the passive voice of past continuous tense. Now I am going to teach you the passive voice of past continuous tense. Affirmative sentence. Active structure, subject plus was oblique verb plus before plus object. If this one is the structure of affirmative sentence, you will have to change according to this structure. That is subject plus was oblique verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus object. अगर affirmative sentence इस स्ट्रक्चर पे रहे तो उसके लिए हम लोग पैसिव में चेंज करने के लिए उस अफर्मेटिव का पैसिव में चेंज करना होगा तो इस स्ट्रक्चर का यूज करेंगे. एग्जाम्पल से देखते हैं. दे वर प्लांटिंग ट्रीज. दे वर प्लांटिंग ट्रीज. तो एज वी ऑल नो ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम द सब्जेक्ट. तो ट्री इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब मेन वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस विल बिकम द सब्जेक्ट. तो ट्रीज जो है वो सब्जेक्ट बन के आएगा. ट्रीज. ट्रीज के साथ क्या यूज होगा? प्लूरल है इसलिए वेयर. ट्रीज वर. आफ्टर दैट बीइंग. बीइंग देन V3 प्लांटिंग प्लांटेड. आफ्टर दैट बाय and then object. The subject will become the object. They become them. ठीक है. Next is we were doing the work carefully. So we will have to find out the subject, verb and object. This one is subject. This one is main verb, and this one is object. The work is object. So this will become the subject, the work, and the work is similar. This subject is similar, so we have to write what? Was. The work was. After that being. Being. Then V3, that is doing is the verb. We will have to change this one into third form. That will become do, did, done. 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 The work was being done. Then after by. Then after object. The subject of active become the object of passive. We will become us. Now negative sentence. There is no change in the structure of negative sentence except not. सिर्फ नॉट ऐड होगा नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में. बाकी सभी स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेंगे. नॉट कहां पे ऐड होगा? आफ्टर वॉज वेयर. हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद नॉट. तो हम लोग एग्जांपल से देखते हैं. आई वॉज नॉट ईटिंग एप्पल्स. तो सब्जेक्ट मेन वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस विल बिकम द सब्जेक्ट. Apples or apples. This one is plural, so we use were. Apples were. Then after not. Then after being. Then V3. Eaten. Then after by. Then after object. Subject become the object. Eaten by I ka me. Now interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, helping verb will used in the beginning. So was. This one is subject. This one is verb. And this one is object. So your car is the subject, will become the subject, and your car is similar, so was will be used. Was your car being. Then after V3, drive, drove, driven. Driven. then after by, and then after he will become the subject, sorry object. Here it is subject, here it will become the object. He का him. Was your car being driven by him? Now WH question. This is WH question. What were you doing? What were you doing? तो WH क्वेश्चन में मैंने पहले ही बताया है कि WH वर्ड बिगनिंग में ही रहेगा, वाट अपनी जगह पे रहेगा, और वाट के जस्ट बाद हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज करते हैं। तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब का ये यहां पे क्या है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, ये ऑब्जेक्ट बन के आएगा। ठीक है, तो वाट वाज बीइंग, ये है वर्ब, ये हो जाएगा V3 में डन, डन आफ्टर दैट बाय एंड आफ्टर दैट यू। यू का ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म भी यू ही होता है, सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म भी यू ही होता है। अनदर एग्जांपल, नन वाज हेल्पिंग द वुंडेड मैन। क्या क्या बनेगा, तो इसमें हम लोग देख लेते हैं। सब्जेक्ट नन बन के आया है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, वुंडेड मैन ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये वर्ब है। तो द वुंडेड मैन सब्जेक्ट बन के आएगा, द वुंडेड मैन, ये सिंगुलर है, दैट्स व्हाई वाज विल बी यूज्ड। द वुंडेड मैन वाज, then after being, then after V3 have, only helped. As we already told you, if none, no one, someone, somebody is used as subject, this will become disappear. This will be disappeared in the passive voice sentence. So this is the passive voice of that sentence. Now we will see the passive voice of past perfect tense. And as we already know that the structure of active voice of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Then while changing this sentence into passive voice, we must use this structure, that is subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. यानी अगर एक्टिव का सेंटेंस इस स्ट्रक्चर पे रहे तो हम लोग चेंज करेंगे इस स्ट्रक्चर पे। एज पर एग्जाम्पल, दे हैड अवॉर्डेड 10 persons बिफोर 4 PM। तो फर्स्टली वी विल हैव टू फाइंड आउट सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। दिस वन इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस वन इज वर्ब, मेन वर्ब, एंड दिस वन इज ऑब्जेक्ट। सो 10 persons will become the subject. 10 persons, and this one is plural, so plural verb will be used, but here only one option is there. Either subject is singular or plural, we will use had. So 10 persons had, then after been, then after V3, that is awarded, then after by, and then after they ka them. Here had is also in this sentence, so here is also only been is added. Here V3 is already in verb is already in third form. Here it will also be in the third form. Now next example, that is negative sentence. निगेटिव में भी कोई चेंजिंग नहीं आएगा, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐड नहीं होगा नॉट के अलावा, सो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर नहीं लिखा है। सिर्फ निगेटिव में हैड के बाद क्या आ जाएगा, नॉट आ जाएगा, बाकी सेम टू सेम रहेगा। सी हैड नॉट लव्ड मी, तो बन जाएगा ये सब्जेक्ट, ये वर्ब, ये ऑब्जेक्ट। दिस विल बिकम द सब्जेक्ट, आई हैड, देन बीन, बीन में कुछ नहीं सोचना है, डायरेक्ट आग बंद करके लिख देना है। देन आफ्टर V3, सॉरी, हैड के बाद क्या निगेटिव सेंटेंस है तो क्या आएगा, नॉट आएगा, तब बीन का यूज करेंगे। उसके बाद V3, देन बाय, और देन सी का हर। इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में हैड पहले आएगा, इसमें भी हैड है, इसमें भी हैड है, तो हैड अपनी जगह पे रहेगा, हैड। उसके बाद दिस वन इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस वन इज वर्ब, दिस वन इज ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस विल बिकम सब्जेक्ट, हैड यू। उसके बाद बीन, देन आफ्टर हैड, देन आफ्टर बाय, देन आफ्टर सब्जेक्ट बिकम ऑब्जेक्ट, बाय अस, question mark. Now WH question, how many sweets had you eaten in the party? तो how many अपने जगह पे रहेगा, sweets भी अपने जगह पे रहेगा, बनेगा how many sweets had been, had के बाद been आ जाएगा, had been eaten by you, had been eaten by you, ये सब्जेक्ट था, ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया, और ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है इन द पार्टी, वैसे ही रहेगा इन द पार्टी, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं। एक और है, वेयर हैड ही हिडन माई रिंग्स, तो वेयर तो अपनी जगह पे रहेगा, WH वर्ड है, ये दिस वन इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस वन इज वर्ब, and this one is object, so this one become the subject of passive voice, so where my rings, after that had, had के बाद क्या ऐड करना है, been, had been, after that V3, तो hidden is the V3, then after by, and at last object, so this one is the subject of active, so this one become the object of passive, तो ही का ही क्वेश्चन मार्क। तो इस तरह से हमने देखा कि एक्टिव से पैसिव चेंज होता है किसका, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का। Dear students, these are the questions for practice. You have to change active voice into passive voice. These all are given in active form. You have to change into passive form. While changing, you will have to keep all the structures and rules in your mind. इसको बनाते समय जो भी स्ट्रक्चर्स मैंने बताया है, जो भी रूल्स मैंने बताया है, उसे याद करना है, ध्यान में रखना है, और तब सॉल्व करना है। टेंस पहचान लेना है कि किस टेंस से बिलोंग करता है कौन सा सेंटेंस, उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना है। There are 16 questions you have to solve. That's all. Thank you.